I've been practicing dentistry for over 40 years now, and you really develop a close relationship with a lot of your patients who've been with you that long. And we like to treat all of our patients, even our new patients, as family. And I have the privilege of seeing sometimes 2 and 3 generations of family members. So when I can see a grandson and the daughter who's the mother of that, and also the dad and the mom who brought that daughter in, or the young mother in now, all in one day, that's really a pleasure and a treat for me. So seeing 3 generations of family members is such an honor for me and says a lot for the way we've been able to care for our patients. So people will ask me, are we still seeing families? Are we still seeing children? And yes, that is a very important part of our practice because we want to still nurture that side of our practice. The family is very important to us, whether it's celebrating their first eruption or the first loss of their tooth, their front tooth, if they're 5 years old or 6 years old, or whether it's they're 2 years old and we're seeing them for the first visit in our office. The family member can be as young as a couple weeks old to as even old as one of my oldest patients was 103 years old. But so that's my idea of family dentistry, is just to welcome all new members. We'll treat you as family, and also to enjoy your family relationship for many, many years.
I started coming before I was married, and shortly after I got married, my husband was looking for a dentist, so he started coming here too. And then with each of our kids, we have 4 children, and about when they were 3 years old, we started bringing them to see Dr. Heringer. And he'd start by just having them sit in the chair and count their teeth, make sure they were comfortable here, and look in the mirror, kind of show them what he was doing. And then as they got a little older, we started cleaning them, and they had to have a few fillings and things like that. So they're very supportive, very nice, very good with the kids. You know, they have music they can listen to. They have little cartoons, glasses they can wear, or TV when they clean their teeth. They're, very gentle. They have never, had any pain issues. When Ethan was younger, he had to have a couple more extensive fillings, and it didn't even faze him. Like when it was time to come back to the dentist, sometimes kids puts a fear in him, and he's like, oh good, he just was ready to come back. He likes to get prizes. That's his favorite thing to do after he's done. So I have a few times we've had some people who've moved here and are looking for a dentist, and we've given him his name and said that we've had really good luck and really enjoy it here. So
I really like it here. Dr. Heringer and all the staff are just super nice, and it's good coming and just having those nice people here, and not being super nervous or whatever, and they're always super nice. So that's great. When people ask me who I go to, I always tell them, and I tell them that he's super awesome, and if they're looking for someone, then I recommend him because he's great.